Welcome back to our show, where we want to show you on the biggest causes of damage to our homes, so we can keep them safe and healthy environments to raise our families. We will discuss everything from condensation to rising damp, and we'll even throw in a few property-damaging pests, for good measure. My name is Richard and I am your host who will give you a no-nonsense and honest approach to keep our properties dry and safe from damaging outside sources. Over the next few episodes, I will be discussing the 5 most damaging and most common woodworms in the UK. We will also discuss how they should be treated to eradicate these little pests. We will take one beetle and go through everything from how to identify the insect, where to find it and what it likes to eat. But first, please hit the subscribe button and the alarm below, to be kept up to date on the latest advice and good practice for maintaining a healthy home. This episode will be about the common furniture beetle, aka Anobium puntentum. These little critters can wreak havoc on your wooden furniture, floors and even walls. So, how do you know if you have a woodworm infestation in your home? Here are 5 clear signs to look out for. Number 1. Tiny round holes in wood surfaces. These holes are the exit points for adult woodworms after they have laid their eggs. If you notice several tiny holes in wooden surfaces, it's a sign that your home has been infested. The holes will be approximately 1 to 2 mm circular exit holes, with the tunnels beneath the surface running along the grain. Number 2. Crumbling or powdery wood. This is a result of woodworm larvae feeding on the wooden surfaces. As they burrow through wood, they create tunnels and reduce the wood's strength, causing it to break down into a powdery substance. Number 3. Adult beetles. If you notice adult beetles flying around your home, it could be a sign of a woodworm infestation. These beetles are attracted to damp wood, which is the favorite nesting place for woodworm larvae. Number 4. Weakened and hollow wood. Woodworm larvae are known to bore deep into wood, creating tunnels that can weaken the structure. It attacks the sapwood of softwoods and European hardwoods and old plywood. The modern plywood tends not to use animal-based glue, and woodworm love this. Modern glues are prevented from having animal bases. If the wood in your home feels hollow or weakened, it's definitely worth investigating further. Number 5. Frass or woodworm droppings. These are tiny brown pellets left behind by woodworm larvae as they tunnel through the wood. These pellets are gritty when rubbed between your fingers. If you notice these droppings around your home, it's definitely a sign of an infestation. In conclusion, a woodworm infestation can be a real nightmare for any homeowner. However, by keeping an eye out for these signs and taking action promptly, you can prevent a small infestation from becoming a major problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful home tips. Bye for now.